Up. I'm live. And if I sound sick, it's not because I'm sick. It's just allergies. Seriously. Post-nasal drip is a bitch. And he's in the same damn thing.
I hit F9, get the exact same as Arpo.
At least Arpo can actually participate in proper frame rates.
Right?
Good old microslop.
Seriously.
What?
I should fix that at some point.
Why? That's funny.
Like I said, I should fix it. Doesn't mean I'm going to, because it is funny. This thing. It's funny, it's a microslop controller.
So much hair?
I don't even know where he landed. Oh, he's over the... Holy shit, he did catch so much air. It was the controller, but not the controller itself, even if it is a microslop controller. It was game input. Microslop's game input services. There are two of them that you have to disable because apparently the shit breaks when you use Bluetooth controllers. And so if you disable it, it just falls back on the good old reliable X input. And it just works. Oh yeah. My issue the entire time was the controller, kind of. Microslop's shitty implementation of newer controller handling. It turns out, as well, I never had to reboot my computer. All I had to do was reconnect the controller. Disabling Bluetooth, re-enabling it, and reconnecting the controller would fix it. Every single time. I never had to reboot the computer once. But how was I to know that? Oh, the classic. We haven't raced this enough in recent times. Yeah, it got boring.
Where'd the Arpo go?
I forgot how to race this immediately.
Good job.
We definitely had the typical start.
Oh, Jesus. Holy.
Even with 6 people.
Yep.
Well, Callie's just gone. Bye-bye.
But yeah, it used to be, you know, like, it was kind of boring running the same 16 or 32 tracks every week. But at the same time, we were running most of them every week or two.
That wasn't gonna fucking work.
So, like...
My game stud.
You'd have blasted on the inside of that corner in a fucking Viserys. I knew you weren't making it out the other side.
Oh yeah, Geeson is very stuttery.
Ooh,
Oh god, oh god, I got demon dragged by stuttery Geeson.
I will mention as well, if it looks any smoother on the stream, hopefully it looks like
Geeson's
at least no
impossible
worse.
to pass because you got the Viserys because he's so fast and then his leg kills you.
I am running the game at 120 FPS. You can see in the FPS column, that is reporting correctly at least.
I didn't get a playlist link from anyone.
You're not racing with us.
You weren't playing. So I didn't think you wanted one.
Oh god.
But yeah, I noticed
I can
while
send it to you after the
testing
race.
that like 120
Yeah, that's
FPS seemed to work, although that didn't. Because I just tried setting my frame rate to 120 to see what would happen the 1 week. And it still lagged out, obviously, because it was nothing to do with that. It was nothing to do with the game. Fucking controller. Well, controller drivers. Thanks, microslop. So... yeah, I just decided to turn the frame rate back up. Nice try.
Good job, Geeson.
He double slashed it. Also, quit : is not a command. So that might have actually been what tripped it up. Remove the colon. Although he might get an argument error.
Good job.
I remembered it.
Yeah, the stream doesn't seem to be taking a hit performance-wise. It seems like I'm still dropping the same number of frames I usually do. No clue why. It's just always like that. No matter what hardware combination I've used, no matter what settings I've used, no matter what versions of anything I've used, it's been an issue for years, and I just, despite eliminating a number of factors,
Oh, hell yeah.
one at a time or combined, I've never been able to do away with that issue. But yeah, so I'm running at 120 FPS because I can. Clearly I can, so I might as well, right? Come on, Cheetah.
Thanks, Jason.
There's the next.
You're
I
welcome.
forgot to request it 3 weeks ahead of time.
You can see how much better turning I have.
I'm gonna risk it and update my drivers and see if that fixes the issue.
I was rejected by that curb. I tapped them. Fucking lag.
Let me have my style points, Arpo.
There you. Oh, explosive caught up. He's driving a Cheetah Classic. Sure doesn't look like it.
That's not a yellow car.
Hi.
Sure, game. Yeah, that's definitely what happened. I was even trying to compensate to avoid that, and it still happened. The annoying part. You know, I think I might know why the leaderboard is screwing up, and it is my fault, but it's only because I don't know how Tau does shit. Optimize lookups, and I just cause issues instead.
Who put the playlist together, or is it the guessing group again?
I put it together. It's the same as the guessing game that we did with
Oh,
that
okay.
Jason made.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I probably didn't go as fast as I could have through there. And now he's just... Okay, well, fuck me, I guess. Both of them. I got no chance here. Stupid fucking retinue. top speed of the Viceris if it makes it through a turn. Oh, you bastard. You're supposed to be the grippy car. What was that?
I love that you can just go off-road with this car. It's so stupid.
It's definitely stupid. So just to give a quick rundown to explain the game mode, it's basically a point-to-point race across multiple checkpoints, but we spawn up in the air, and when the countdown ends, we'll be put into the skydiving state, and you have infinite parachutes, so don't worry about that. But basically the idea is get a car and collect all the checkpoints as quickly as you can.
So it's a G-Fred.
But not. G-Fred has a set route. This is random checkpoints.
Oh, this is just random. Oh, okay. Sure.
Yeah, like there are over 400 checkpoints it could possibly pull from.
God.
And in theory, nothing should break. Okay, good, we got good spawns. Everybody's facing different ways.
Oh my.
What's the parachute button on controller?
Hey.
I'm gonna try and go this way as much as possible first. Don't know where everybody's over that way. Some people are parachuting immediately. Is an option.
Oh, come on. That
Through
was an
the tree.
Audi.
How'd you go so far forward?
I have done a lot of testing of this, admittedly.
Explain!
By pushing forward. I don't know what more you...
Pushing forward made you go down.
Just was pushing forward too much. Oh, all the cars spawning are shit. Cars spawning are shit. Alright. Hey look, there's a leaderboard. Oh, and I guess I should also add, the leaderboard is on up arrow, not down arrow. Because being able to look at the map is kind of important for this. A lot harder to see when there's a bunch of name tags. Explosive is on foot, apparently? I doubt that. Okay, so I don't think the sorting is working properly. That's good. I don't know why that would be. But that's fine. I figured that some of the things that involve multiple people might break. Spectating and leaderboard sorting would be the primary thing. Why are you prioritizing distance over checkpoint count? I thought I told you to do otherwise. Explosive has that Paragon, that's annoying. Bike is not the worst option. How does Geek have an Infernus? Son of a bitch. Okay. God damn it, Callie. Can I at least find a cock somewhere on the road? Like what Geeson has there, clearly, the cockette. Probably a D10, because I know they do sometimes spawn in traffic. God, this traffic sucks. How do you people have good cars? Paragon and Furnace. Deadbringer has a Tygon. Getting caught up because I don't have a good car. Shut up, Kiosk. Nice.
I feel like I should have gone on the train track.
Yeah, maybe. I disagree. Ruiner doesn't have great top speed, which is why I didn't go for it. There's nothing good spawning anywhere I've been. I was hoping that by going straight to the hills it would give me something good, because that's generally where the good cars are, but nothing was spawning. Shush. Dingle, that's a planned feature. Project Homecoming calls it blunderbuss mode. That is a planned feature. But I'm gonna recreate the game mode as a separate thing, because that is more complexity than needs to be added to this version of the game mode. In theory, it should be seamless, the difference, but like I can just make it a toggle that basically switches between the two versions. But yeah.
Oh fuck!
Big truck. Okay.
Fucking semi.
Yeah, that semi caused a car to swerve out in front of me, too. So let me just,
Hi, Keith.
does that answer your question?
And it's
Or
raining.
your thought?
Always raining.
What you doing, Harpo?
Getting a different vehicle. Oh sure, now there are better vehicles spawning. That's a rock. This worked out okay. This not so much. Come on. Yeah, I should say, like, this script is mostly finished. Like, the logic is there for a lot of stuff. I've been quite busy with it over the last 2 and a bit weeks. Go up over this way. Nonsense. Decent on the bike. Yeah, that's completely fine. Oh, they're going that way still. And that'd bring them both. All the way down to there, huh? Love to know why the leaderboard is sorting the way it is.
Ooh.
Oh, come on, game.
Now.
Give me a break. Yeah, Callie's best off, I'd say. Oh, I got up to second by taking the tracks. Cool. Dock Hermes in its natural habitat. Can't say I honestly remember this checkpoint, but it exists. Weasel news, huh? Damn it. Easton died. Impressive.
There's seriously no fucking cars here.
There can occasionally be issues on FiveM where you encounter other people's despawn bubbles. Because
I was going through the fucking mountains and launched the fucking car into the river, and now I'm fucked.
yeah, there are definitely limited vehicle spawns around that area.
There was one on the side of the road as I was driving up, and then of course when I go back, it's gone. So
Naturally. Yeah, I am not going to do that. I am going to go all the way down.
I don't
I'm
know if
definitely slower than the...
I don't know. I don't
Paragon
feel like the
Paragon.
leaderboard is correct.
It's sorting by distance and then checkpoint when it should be checkpoint and then distance. I don't know why.
I don't
You're
know.
probably getting
It's-
it.
Hi.
I wasn't
Right,
expecting
if
you
you
to
can get it.
turn.
Thanks. I'm like, there's no way I'm fucking still in 4th place. Yeah, I came over a fucking hump on one of these dirt roads, and the car just fucking launched through the air into the river. Like, well, that's not
Wait, are the two of you in the same car?
Yeah.
Deadbringer picked me up because I was running.
Oh. Get out. Get in.
Hey, don't close the fucking thing on my head. Hey, God, and of course he drives off.
Callie, are you able to scroll the viewer for the selection?
No.
No.
Interesting.
Get off.
I figured there might be some issues with the leaderboard and spectating, you know, anything with multiple players, but otherwise, like, I don't expect any issues with this.
Brother, I have a fucking disease. Okay, I shouldn't have phrased that
Invalid.
like this. I was gonna say, I have a fucking disease. So I have an
Disease?
STI, but
You have an STD?
I have an STI, but I keep looking at used Subarus on Marketplace. Why?
What happened to you
I'm
guys?
actually spectating an invalid now.
Yeah. We fucked. Time to reconnect.
I can't spectate you
Ah,
guys. Wow,
script
you
error.
guys are really fucked.
Attempt to index a nil value.
Alright,
Field
well, I'm-
question mark.
I'm just gonna restart FiveM.
Yeah, it's a nil value. That's what happens.
The other
Because
thing
I-
is,
I like-
if you're working on
learned-
lots of problems, then you need to give it memory. The biggest problem I have is I have long-standing products that I'm working on over time, and I'll have multiple sessions with it talking about something. And next time I start it up, it has no idea what we talked about before. So you need to give it a memory so it can reload what you've worked on before.
You have to. Have you been going, like, when you go back, do you go back to the same conversation that, like,
Yeah,
how
right,
it'll save,
Chaos?
like, your conversations?
The past
Do you go
seems
back to that
nice.
same conversation
I like the
and
past.
continue from there, or do you start a new conversation?
Oh god, that's fast.
Talking to me or explosive?
Yeah, that's what
You.
I'm got.
Well, either one.
I was
of you,
expecting
really.
him to go left.
No, I've only
Because-
used it a few times.
Because I use it so much, I will start new conversations, but the reason I do that is because I've added the memory. Right, so it summarizes all the key findings, it takes a full copy of the source code I've been working on, and if I start a new conversation, it re-injects all of that information. And if I'm running multiple sessions on the same directory, it shares the same memory.
Okay, well, so you've made it work to your specific case. You're
Right,
not
so
just
I
using
have, like-
the standard,
No.
AI shit.
No. And I've written custom skills for it, so like it
Yeah.
knows how to look up my issues in Jira, and it knows how to connect to GitHub and connect to Confluence and all
that's
this
cool.
shit.
Which one what do you use? Like, do you
I
use?
didn't even hit him on my end.
Copilot.
Well, I didn't
or
get
do you
slowed down,
use
but he got the speed
Claude?
boost.
Good.
Claude. I just started using Claude like 2 weeks ago.
Dang it,
and,
Arpo.
I want to build an application.
More trouble than it's worth, clearly.
For my.
Well, you're the one that
for
spun
Ewok
me.
and my mom's
I got boosted.
business to help me design these charts.
Oh, okay. Nice.
And
Jeez.
like I spent like, I don't know, probably 2 hours just like explaining to it exactly what I wanted to do, and then like adding features. And
Damn
then,
it.
okay, I have these tools, and and basically when I get some time, I'm going to have it kind of guide me through programming this application. So we'll see how that goes.
You know what the weird thing is? Developers that refuse to document for other developers are now writing documentation for their damn AI.
Yep.
Like, bitch, why didn't you write me documentation so I could know what the fuck is going on?
But I've been, well, I guess I was gonna say I've been impressed with Claude over
Finally got it
some of
right.
the other ones, but I was actually using it to troubleshoot some problems with my Mini that I was having the other day,
Christ.
and it was pointing me in the completely wrong fucking direction. And
Yeah,
then
because
I'm like, wait a
doesn't know
minute.
jack shit about cars because it's trained on Reddit.
You gotta remember,
No, it's
the
not
thing
just
is,
trained on Reddit. It's trained
not
on a lot of
regressive.
things.
But also on Reddit.
in the end, it is.
I'm using
just
Claude
a-
because the company has an AI gateway, right? So they have like all of these different service providers, and
Yeah.
Claude is the most advanced model that they've got in that gateway, and I don't have a quota,
Damn it.
Right.
so I can just
Okay.
use whatever the fuck I want.
Yeah.
One of the companies I console that this week instated an Opus ban because the amount of spend was just insane.
Yeah, like I was trying to figure out what this trouble code that I kept getting was, and I couldn't figure out what. I was
Missed it.
researching it myself, and all of the shit that other people that had it were saying
Like,
was
what
wrong.
the fuck, man?
So they were pointing in completely the wrong fucking things. So I figured, well, I'll ask Claude and see, if it can tell me, anything. And
Well, then I fucking bottom out over that parking.
This thing seems slower than it does in vanilla.
I'm not the one that bottled it! Oh. Just real quick, the leaderboard was correct for what vehicles people drove. for once.
But
I hate this fucking internet of mine.
Yeah,
I
that's
won
rough.
on my end. Like, I crossed the finish line, and then I'm like, wait a minute, why did the screen got fucky? I'm like, something's not
just
right here.
chucked
And then
it out
and
over.
no one said
The
anything.
screen got fucky.
If you didn't have an issue, Geek, I can give you the win, because, like, you would have beat me to the
No,
line
it's
then.
fine.
That's going to do it for me tonight. Thank everyone for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Later.